Good morning, students. How are you today? Today is Tuesday and it's the 21st of April 2020. Okay, so today we're going to have two learning targets. Our first learning target is that you are going to, or I can answer the previous video questions. Yesterday I sent to you, or I posted a video about materials, right? So we are going to answer what are the materials you found in the video. And then for the second one is that your goal today is your assignment for today is that you are going to write 10 examples of things made of metal, and also you are going to identify its properties. Okay, yesterday I asked about yesterday in the video the question was that you are going to answer what are the materials you found in the video. The second one is that what are the properties of metal discussed in the video. Okay, are you ready? All right, let me get my note. All right, so in the video we see what? We see wood, which is like the chair was made of wood. So what are the materials again? So materials like plastic, wood, paper, metal, and many others are used to create something for us to use, right? Like the chair, the table. Okay, so the materials that we see in the video, so I'm gonna write materials that we found or we see in the video. We have wood. What else? We have the leather. Remember, leather is also a material that comes from animals, skin of animals. What else? We have the glass. We have metal. Number 5, we have paper. 6, we have fabric. 7, we have ceramics. Ceramics are used to make plates, vase, flower pots, cups. Okay, and then we have plastic. And also at the very end, you will see a cotton and wool, right? Okay. So again, these are the materials that we see in the video. Some of the fabric, so cotton and wool is under fabric, right? So sometimes these are natural ones, and there are also like synthetic or artificial. So we have the, polyester and nylon. Polyester. And we have the other one was a nylon. So those are artificial fabric that we use to make clothes. All right, so these are the answer for the first question, and then the second question was, what are the properties of metal discussed in the video? So the metal there, what are the things that made of metal? We have the hammer and the nail, right? So what are the materials that metal are made of? I mean, like when you see a metal, what are the things that you can describe about it? That's its properties. Okay, so metals. What are the metal properties? So what are the properties of metal? So we have metals are very hard, right? So first material of metal is hard. What else? Some metals are most of the metals are strong. And some metals like aluminum, you can bend it, but you have to really put force, or you need heat so you can bend it. And then what else? Hard, strong, and rigid, right? Rigid is also similar with strong and hard. And we all knew also that metal are, what else? What other properties that we can describe about metal? Some metals are shiny. When you touch a metal, this water jug is a water bottle is made of metal. So this part is smooth, right? So we can see that some metals are smooth. And then what's the opposite of smooth? Some metals are so like here. Also rough, because sometimes people will not use or will not make it like smooth. So sometimes some metals are a little bit rough, especially if there's a design of it, like a zigzag design that makes it rough. Some metals are rough depending on its design. Okay, so these are the materials we found in the video, and then these three are the words that describe the metal also found in the video. So for your assignment or for your task today is that you are going to write 10 examples of things that made of metal. It's very easy because I give you some examples before. And then what you're gonna do is, for example, so you can write it in a sentence. Or if you don't like, it's okay. You can write just the name of the metal. But for you to be familiar with metal and its properties, I would suggest or recommend that you will write also its properties. Okay, for example, let's say a thing that is made of metal. Let me think. Let's see. I want to write a cup. I would say a cup is made of metal. The cup is, what can you describe a metal cup? The cup is strong and hard. Like that. So for you to practice, but if you don't feel like it, it's okay. You can only write cup. But like I've said, for you to be able to practice the name of the material and its properties, it's better to write it in a sentence form. And how many things or objects that you're going to write? 10, right? So I'm doing this because for our second task, you're going to write or describe the things. Let's say, give me 4 things that are made of metal, like that, for your task assessment too. Okay, thank you very much. Have a wonderful Tuesday, and it's good to see you again. Goodbye.